Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best burn gel is probably one of the most effective ways to treat minor burns and other wounds, offering soothing relief and promoting faster healing. In this video, we will explore the benefits and considerations of using hydrogel burn bandages, examining their effectiveness in managing pain, reducing inflammation, and preventing infection, while also comparing different brands and types to help you make an informed decision for your specific needs. Number 5. Dimora Hydrocolloid Dressing. These dressings create a moist environment to help wounds heal faster. The waterproof layer protects them from dirt and bacteria. At just 0.3 mm thick, it conforms to your skin comfortably. It moves with you, even on joints, without bunching or peeling. It's perfect for various wounds, from burns and bed sores to acne and everyday scrapes. It's also great for preventing infections. It's breathable and comfortable, even for kids. The waterproof design keeps it securely in place without irritation. Each large dressing can be easily cut to fit any wound size or shape. It's versatile and ready for any situation. What we like? It creates a moist environment to help wounds heal faster. Its thin design allows for flexibility and comfort, even on joints. If you need a bandage for various wound types and body areas, this is the one for you. What people say. It works. Sweat, heat, movement, or wiping does not interfere with the hold and placement. The horrible blister healed. I changed the dressing every 2 days. It absolutely stopped the horrid burning, pain, and leaking. However, it was dead skin and my burn healed nicely with minimum scarring. Big plus that it is waterproof. I could shower with it on and didn't have to interrupt the healing by having to take it off. After just a month and a half of using these, on what was a stage 3 pressure ulcer, the wound has finally completely closed and the ulcer is nearly all the way healed. I have no doubt these are to thank for that, considering I was trying so many other things, regular bandages, gauze, ointments, antibacterial ointments, none of which worked for over 2 months, during which time the wound actually got progressively worse. Number 4. Burnshield Burn Dressing. It harnesses the power of tea tree oil and a special hydrogel. This soothing combination cools the burn and helps prevent infection. Whether it's from flames, hot water, or chemicals, it provides immediate relief for all types of burns. It's ready to use whenever you need it. It quickly absorbs heat, reducing pain and minimizing damage to your skin. It stops the burning process and protects against further contamination. It's non-adhesive and easy to remove, ensuring a comfortable experience and allowing for easy medical assessment. No need to worry about causing more pain. It's strong enough to withstand movement and reshaping, yet it's easy to tear and mold to fit any wound. It adapts to your needs. It's the perfect combination of soothing relief and protective strength for all your burn care needs. Always keep it handy for quick and effective treatment. What we like? It uses soothing tea tree oil to cool and protect burns. It's suitable for all types of burns and is easy to apply and remove. If you need a versatile burn dressing that's gentle yet effective, this is a great option. What people say. The pad cooled the burn area, but I didn't feel the pain of the burn all day. When I removed the gauze at the end of the day, the moist burn pad was dry, and my wound was able to heal the rest of the day and night on its own and without any pain or problems. Had a second-degree burn on my arm, tried other bandages and antibacterial cream, not improving. Tried one of these pads, and overnight there was a major improvement. Not only sped up the healing, but it was extremely cooling and soothing to the wound. It also didn't stick to the wound when I would change out the dressing like most other things I tried. Number 3. SilverSeal Burn Pads. These hydrogel pads provide soothing relief for minor burns, cuts, and wounds. They're designed to promote healing and reduce scarring. It features ecstatic silver, known for its antimicrobial properties, helping to keep the wound clean and protected. This helps prevent infection and promotes faster healing. The pads are gentle enough for sensitive skin and won't stick to the wound, making removal painless. It's a comfortable solution for your wound care needs. They maintain a moist wound environment, which is essential for healing. This helps to remove dead tissue and promote the growth of new skin. These pads are FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce scarring. They offer immediate pain relief and have a long history of safe and effective use. simply apply the gel side down directly to the wound and secure with a bandage. No need to pre-wet, making it perfect for quick and easy wound care. Keep them in your home, car, or travel bag for quick treatment of minor injuries. They're a versatile and essential addition to any first aid kit. What we like. It contains ecstatic silver to promote healing and reduce scarring. It keeps wounds moist to aid in healing and is comfortable to wear. If you're looking for a burn dressing with added antimicrobial properties and proven scar reduction, this is a good choice. What people say. When I took it off in the evening, it absorbed a lot of the nasty yellow discharge that was coming out from my wound but also kept the skin moist for faster healing. The blister has deflated, the redness and swelling gone. It was like magic the first time she used it. Number 2. Care Science Hydrogel Pads. It provides instant cooling relief for minor burns and wounds. Its unique design helps to soothe the discomfort and promote healing. It absorbs excess fluid from the wound, which helps to prevent infection and keep the area clean. This is crucial for proper healing. The breathable material won't stick to the wound, allowing your skin to breathe while staying hydrated. It creates a moist environment that supports healing. It's designed to be gentle on even the most sensitive skin. The soft material minimizes discomfort during application and throughout the healing process. First, gently clean the wound. Then, apply it to the affected area. Finally, secure it with a bandage for optimal healing. It promotes a moist wound healing environment. This helps to reduce scarring and speeds up the recovery process. What we like. It provides immediate cooling relief for minor burns. It absorbs fluid to help prevent infection and is breathable to prevent discomfort. If you need a simple, effective burn dressing for minor injuries, this is a practical choice. What people say. I used this for a crush injury that left an open wound on my ankle, was extremely painful and not healing, did everything doctors told me, nothing was working. I tried a few other types of these pads until I found these. Cleaned the wound and fit this pad to size and lightly covered. In a few hours the nerve pain had dropped about 30 to 40% to a tolerable level. Wound is healing. These were great that my daughter burned herself while welding, and we used these to treat her burn on her arm, also using the Manuka honey patches at the same time, and they helped to heal her arm quickly. After getting a second-degree burn on my arm, the doctor in the ER recommended I get a pad of this nature to cover the burn until the new skin had grown. These pads were easy to apply and then held in place by wrapping it with some gauze. My primary care had not seen this before and was impressed with how much better my burn healed than she normally saw. Number 1. Active Skin Repair. It uses the same safe and gentle molecule found in hospitals worldwide. This helps cleanse wounds and promotes faster skin recovery. It's completely natural, non-toxic, and won't irritate your skin. It's free of steroids, antibiotics, alcohol, and harsh chemicals. It effectively treats various burns, including sunburns, windburns, and other skin irritations. It's your go-to solution for daily burn relief. It's a medical-grade hydrogel that supports your body's natural healing process. It's safe for even sensitive areas. You can use your flexible spending account or health savings account to purchase it. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we offer a full refund. What we like. It uses hypochlorous acid to gently cleanse and promote healing. It's a natural, non-toxic formula that provides pain relief. If you prefer a natural, pain-relieving burn treatment, this is a good option. What people say. It takes the heat right out of the skin. Amazing. It also takes the itch out that comes on a few days after a sunburn. My girlfriend burned her hand on a hot pan and it again took the heat right out, and the skin healed super fast. No scar at all just a few days later. Every time I changed his bandages, his wounds would start to hurt if they started to dry, but as soon as I put more hydrogel on, he felt immediate relief. I watched carefully for signs of infection and none developed. In 2 weeks' time, his wounds were healed and other than a faint pink mark on his leg, there are no other signs of scarring. I quickly applied the gel on the spot. After a few minutes I noticed the gel was fully absorbed, so I applied it several times for a few hours. It's been a day and I feel so lucky that I didn't get any blisters or peeling of skin yet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.